Halo semuanya, video kali ini berisi kalimat-kalimat yang umum dipakai dalam percakapan sehari-hari. Latihlah kalimat-kalimat tersebut dan kamu akan cepat mahir dalam berbahasa Inggris. Ayo langsung saja kita mulai.
How do I move forward in life? How do I move forward in life?
Bagaimana saya bisa maju dalam hidup?
Stay positive and keep working hard. Stay positive and keep working hard.
Tetap positif dan terus bekerja keras.
Will you go on without my help? Will you go on without my help?
Apakah kamu akan lanjut tanpa bantuanku?
Yes, I think I can do it. Yes, I think I can do it.
Ya, saya pikir saya bisa melakukannya.
Is it easy to save money from your income? Is it easy to save money from your income?
Apakah mudah menabung uang dari penghasilanmu?
No, saving requires discipline. No, saving requires discipline.
Tidak, menabung membutuhkan disiplin.
How do we proceed with this plan? How do we proceed with this plan?
Bagaimana cara kita melanjutkan rencana ini?
We proceed by following the schedule. We proceed by following the schedule.
Kita lanjutkan dengan mengikuti jadwal.
What happens if execution fails? What happens if execution fails?
Apa yang terjadi jika eksekusi gagal?
We analyze the issue and try again. We analyze the issue and try again.
Kami analisis masalahnya dan coba lagi.
Who is responsible for law enforcement? Who is responsible for law enforcement?
Siapa yang bertanggung jawab atas penegakan hukum?
The police handle law enforcement duties. The police handle law enforcement duties.
Polisi yang menangani tugas penegakan hukum.
Is it important to preserve traditions? Is it important to preserve traditions?
Apakah penting melestarikan tradisi?
Yes, they keep our heritage alive. Yes, they keep our heritage alive.
Ya, mereka menjaga warisan kita tetap hidup.
Can you instruct me how to cook rice? Can you instruct me how to cook rice?
Bisakah kamu mengajari saya memasak nasi?
First, wash the rice with clean water. First, wash the rice with clean water.
Pertama, cuci beras dengan air bersih.
Why is it hard to carry out new ideas? Why is it hard to carry out new ideas?
Mengapa sulit menjalankan ide baru?
People often resist changes at first. People often resist changes at first.
Orang sering menolak perubahan pada awalnya.
Is it okay to take a break right now? Is it okay to take a break right now?
Apakah boleh istirahat sekarang?
Yes, take a break and relax for a bit. Yes, take a break and relax for a bit.
Ya, istirahatlah dan santai sebentar.
Did you receive the acceptance letter yet? Did you receive the acceptance letter yet?
Apakah kamu sudah menerima surat penerimaannya?
Yes, I got the acceptance this morning. Yes, I got the acceptance this morning.
Ya, saya dapat surat penerimaannya pagi ini.
How do you calculate your profit? How do you calculate your profit?
Bagaimana cara kamu menghitung keuntunganmu?
I subtract costs from total income. I subtract costs from total income.
Saya kurangi biaya dari total pendapatan.
When will they go ahead with the project? When will they go ahead with the project?
Kapan mereka akan lanjutkan proyek itu?
They will go ahead after the meeting. They will go ahead after the meeting.
Mereka akan lanjutkan setelah pertemuan.
Where can I switch my currency? Where can I switch my currency?
Di mana saya bisa menukar mata uang?
At the bank or money changer. At the bank or money changer.
Di bank atau tempat penukaran uang.
Should I upgrade my internet connection? Should I upgrade my internet connection?
Haruskah saya tingkatkan koneksi internet saya?
Yes, upgrading improves your connection. Yes, upgrading improves your connection.
Ya, peningkatan akan memperbaiki koneksi kamu.
When will they move to the new office? When will they move to the new office?
Kapan mereka akan pindah ke kantor baru?
They will move to the new office next week. They will move to the new office next week.
Mereka akan pindah ke kantor baru minggu depan.
Why should we change the meeting time? Why should we change the meeting time?
Kenapa kita harus mengubah waktu pertemuan?
We should change it to suit everyone. We should change it to suit everyone.
Kita harus mengubahnya agar sesuai untuk semua orang.
Can we predict natural disasters? Can we predict natural disasters?
Bisakah kita memprediksi bencana alam?
Sometimes, but not always accurately. Sometimes, but not always accurately.
Kadang-kadang, tapi tidak selalu akurat.
Can we gain something from failure? Can we gain something from failure?
Bisakah kita mendapatkan sesuatu dari kegagalan?
Yes, failure teaches us valuable lessons. Yes, failure teaches us valuable lessons.
Ya, kegagalan mengajarkan kita pelajaran berharga.
Do I need proof of purchase for the warranty? Do I need proof of purchase for the warranty?
Apakah saya butuh bukti pembelian untuk garansi?
Yes, you need the receipt for warranty claims. Yes, you need the receipt for warranty claims.
Ya, kamu butuh struk untuk klaim garansi.
How do you stay calm? How do you stay calm?
Bagaimana kamu tetap tenang?
I practice deep breathing and meditation. I practice deep breathing and meditation.
Saya berlatih pernapasan dalam dan meditasi.
How's your meal? How's your meal?
Bagaimana makanannya?
It's delicious, just the way I like it. It's delicious, just the way I like it.
Makanannya enak, persis seperti yang saya suka.
Can I try again? Can I try again?
Bolehkah saya mencoba lagi?
Of course, go ahead and give it another shot. Of course, go ahead and give it another shot.
Tentu saja, silakan coba lagi.
What did you get? What did you get?
Apa yang kamu dapatkan?
I got a new book and a gift card. I got a new book and a gift card.
Saya mendapatkan buku baru dan kartu hadiah.
Are you married? Are you married?
Apakah kamu sudah menikah?
No, I'm not married yet. No, I'm not married yet.
Belum, saya belum menikah.
Can you swim well? Can you swim well?
Apakah kamu bisa berenang dengan baik?
Yes, I can swim like a fish. Yes, I can swim like a fish.
Ya, saya bisa berenang seperti ikan.
Do you have any pets? Do you have any pets?
Apakah kamu punya hewan peliharaan?
Yes, I have 2 dogs and a cat. Yes, I have 2 dogs and a cat.
Ya, saya punya 2 anjing dan seekor kucing.
What is the capital of your country? What is the capital of your country?
Apa ibu kota negaramu?
The capital of my country is Jakarta. The capital of my country is Jakarta.
Ibu kota negara saya adalah Jakarta.
Is the meeting over now? Is the meeting over now?
Apakah rapat sudah selesai sekarang?
Yes, the meeting is over for today. Yes, the meeting is over for today.
Ya, rapat sudah selesai untuk hari ini.
Where do you usually go on vacation? Where do you usually go on vacation?
Kemana kamu biasanya pergi berlibur?
I usually go to the beach every summer. I usually go to the beach every summer.
Saya biasanya pergi ke pantai setiap musim panas.
What do you need? What do you need?
Apa yang kamu butuhkan?
I just need some quiet time to focus. I just need some quiet time to focus.
Saya hanya butuh waktu tenang untuk fokus.
Let's have some coffee after work. Let's have some coffee after work.
Mari kita minum kopi setelah kerja.
That sounds great. What time should we meet? That sounds great. What time should we meet?
Itu terdengar bagus. Jam berapa kita harus bertemu?
What's your size, sir? What's your size, sir?
Ukuran apa yang Anda pakai, Pak?
I'm a medium size. I'm a medium size.
Saya ukuran medium.
Do you want to try it on? Do you want to try it on?
Apakah Anda ingin mencobanya?
Yes, I'd like to try it on. Yes, I'd like to try it on.
Ya, saya ingin mencobanya.
Do you know James? Do you know James?
Apakah kamu kenal James?
Yes, we went to the same school. Yes, we went to the same school.
Ya, kami bersekolah di sekolah yang sama.
What was her reaction? What was her reaction?
Bagaimana reaksinya?
She was very pleased and surprised. She was very pleased and surprised.
Dia sangat senang dan terkejut.
How can I assist you? How can I assist you?
Bagaimana saya bisa membantumu?
Can you help me find this book? Can you help me find this book?
Bisakah kamu membantu saya menemukan buku ini?
Is it something important? Is it something important?
Apakah itu sesuatu yang penting?
Yes, it's quite important. Yes, it's quite important.
Ya, itu cukup penting.
Have you got the result? Have you got the result?
Apakah kamu sudah mendapatkan hasilnya?
Not yet. I'm still waiting for the grades. Not yet. I'm still waiting for the grades.
Belum, saya masih menunggu nilai.
Did you prepare a lot? Did you prepare a lot?
Apakah kamu sudah banyak persiapan?
Yes, I studied for several hours each day. Yes, I studied for several hours each day.
Ya, saya belajar selama beberapa jam setiap hari.
What is your favorite hobby? What is your favorite hobby?
Apa hobi favoritmu?
My favorite hobby is drawing anime. My favorite hobby is drawing anime.
Hobi favorit saya adalah menggambar animasi.
How are you feeling? How are you feeling?
Bagaimana perasaanmu?
I'm feeling good. Thanks for asking. I'm feeling good. Thanks for asking.
Saya merasa baik, terima kasih telah bertanya.
Can you give me a hint? Can you give me a hint?
Bisakah kamu memberi saya petunjuk?
Sure, try focusing on the main concepts. Sure, try focusing on the main concepts.
Tentu, cobalah fokus pada konsep utamanya.
What do you do? What do you do?
Apa pekerjaan kamu?
I own a small cake shop. I own a small cake shop.
Saya memiliki toko kue kecil.
Is anyone there? Is anyone there?
Apakah ada orang di sana?
Yes, there are a few people in the room. Yes, there are a few people in the room.
Ya, Ada beberapa orang di ruangan itu.
Do you need a ride? Do you need a ride?
Apakah kamu butuh tumpangan?
No, I'm all set. I have my own transportation. No, I'm all set. I have my own transportation.
Tidak, saya sudah siap. Saya memiliki transportasi sendiri.
Where shall we meet? Where shall we meet?
Di mana kita akan bertemu?
Let's meet at the park near the library. Let's meet at the park near the library.
Mari kita bertemu di taman dekat perpustakaan.
How about the cafe? How about the cafe?
Bagaimana kalau di kafe?
That sounds perfect. I love that place. That sounds perfect. I love that place.
Kedengarannya sempurna. Saya suka tempat itu.
Can you call and ask? Can you call and ask?
Bisakah kamu menelepon dan bertanya?
Sure, I'll give them a call right now. Sure, I'll give them a call right now.
Tentu, saya akan menelepon mereka sekarang.
Can you explain this task? Can you explain this task?
Bisakah kamu menjelaskan tugas ini?
Sure, I'll walk you through it step by step. Sure, I'll walk you through it step by step.
Tentu, saya akan menjelaskan langkah demi langkah.
Have you decided? Have you decided?
Apakah kamu sudah memutuskan?
Yes, I've made my decision. Yes, I've made my decision.
Ya, saya sudah membuat keputusan saya.
What do you both like to do? What do you both like to do?
Apa yang kalian berdua suka lakukan?
We both enjoy hiking and cooking together. We both enjoy hiking and cooking together.
Kami berdua suka mendaki dan memasak bersama.
What type of songs do you like? What type of songs do you like?
Jenis lagu apa yang kamu suka?
I like a variety of genres, especially jazz and blues. I like a variety of genres, especially jazz and blues.
Saya suka berbagai genre, terutama jazz dan blues.
May I use this? May I use this?
Bolehkah saya menggunakan ini?
Yes, you can use it. Yes, you can use it.
Ya, kamu bisa menggunakannya.
Is everything okay? Is everything okay?
Apakah semuanya baik-baik saja?
Yes, everything is fine, just a bit overwhelmed. Yes, everything is fine, just a bit overwhelmed.
Ya, semuanya baik-baik saja, hanya sedikit merasa kewalahan.
Do you visit the bakery often? Do you visit the bakery often?
Apakah kamu sering mengunjungi toko roti?
Yes, I love buying fresh bread there. Yes, I love buying fresh bread there.
Ya, saya suka membeli roti segar di sana.
What's new in your life? What's new in your life?
Apa yang baru dalam hidupmu?
I started a new job and feel excited. I started a new job and feel excited.
Saya memulai pekerjaan baru dan merasa bersemangat.
How do you stay motivated to achieve your goals? How do you stay motivated to achieve your goals?
Bagaimana kamu tetap termotivasi untuk mencapai tujuanmu?
I set small, achievable goals and reward myself when I accomplish them. I set small, achievable goals and reward myself when I accomplish them.
Saya menetapkan tujuan kecil yang dapat dicapai dan memberi diri saya hadiah ketika mencapainya.
Have you ever had surgery before? Have you ever had surgery before?
Apakah kamu pernah menjalani operasi sebelumnya?
Yes, I had surgery on my knee last year. Yes, I had surgery on my knee last year.
Ya, saya menjalani operasi di lutut tahun lalu.
Do you prefer a sponge or cloth for cleaning? Do you prefer a sponge or cloth for cleaning?
Apakah kamu lebih suka spons atau kain untuk membersihkan?
I prefer a sponge for easier cleaning. I prefer a sponge for easier cleaning.
Saya lebih suka spons yang lebih mudah untuk membersihkan.
Do you have any plans for today? Do you have any plans for today?
Apakah kamu punya rencana hari ini?
Yes, I plan to clean my room today. Yes, I plan to clean my room today.
Ya, saya berencana untuk membersihkan kamar saya hari ini.
Where can I find the nearest bridge? Where can I find the nearest bridge?
Di mana saya bisa menemukan jembatan terdekat?
The nearest bridge is over by the river. The nearest bridge is over by the river.
Jembatan terdekat ada di dekat sungai.
When is your birthday? When is your birthday?
Kapan ulang tahunmu?
My birthday is on September 15th. My birthday is on September 15th.
Ulang tahunku pada tanggal 15 September.
How do you feel today? How do you feel today?
Bagaimana perasaanmu hari ini?
I feel happy and excited today. I feel happy and excited today.
Saya merasa senang dan bersemangat hari ini.
Do you know where the drugstore is located? Do you know where the drugstore is located?
Apakah kamu tahu di mana apotek?
Yes, the drugstore is next to the supermarket. Yes, the drugstore is next to the supermarket.
Ya, apotek itu ada di sebelah supermarket.
What did you talk about? What did you talk about?
Apa yang kamu bicarakan?
We talked about our vacation plans. We talked about our vacation plans.
Kami membicarakan rencana liburan kami.
Would you like another cup of tea? Would you like another cup of tea?
Apakah kamu mau secangkir teh lagi?
Yes, please, I'd love another cup. Yes, please, I'd love another cup.
Ya, tolong, saya ingin secangkir lagi.
What does your dad do? What does your dad do?
Apa pekerjaan ayahmu?
He's an architect. He's an architect.
Dia seorang arsitek.
Are you free this afternoon? Are you free this afternoon?
Apakah kamu bebas sore ini?
Yes, I'm free this afternoon. Yes, I'm free this afternoon.
Ya, saya bebas sore ini.
Why did you do that? Why did you do that?
Mengapa kamu melakukan itu?
I did it because I thought it would help. I did it because I thought it would help.
Saya melakukannya karena saya pikir itu akan membantu.
Why are you so angry with her? Why are you so angry with her?
Mengapa kamu begitu marah padanya?
I'm upset because she didn't keep her promise. I'm upset because she didn't keep her promise.
Saya marah karena dia tidak menepati janjinya.
Have you tried the cake? Have you tried the cake?
Apakah kamu sudah mencoba kue ini?
Yes, I've tried it. It's delicious. Yes, I've tried it. It's delicious.
Ya, saya sudah mencobanya. Rasanya enak.
Can you share a testimonial for us? Can you share a testimonial for us?
Bisakah kamu memberikan testimoni untuk kami?
Sure. I loved the service provided here. Sure. I loved the service provided here.
Tentu, saya sangat suka layanan yang diberikan di sini.
Can you find a lighter for the candles? Can you find a lighter for the candles?
Bisakah kamu menemukan pemantik untuk lilin?
Yes, I have a lighter in my bag. Yes, I have a lighter in my bag.
Ya, saya punya pemantik di tas saya.
Did you receive the invitation to the party? Did you receive the invitation to the party?
Apakah kamu sudah menerima undangan ke pesta?
Yes, I received the invitation yesterday. Yes, I received the invitation yesterday.
Ya, saya menerima undangan kemarin.
Why don't you come to the movies with me? Why don't you come to the movies with me?
Mengapa kamu tidak ikut menonton film dengan saya?
I'm busy tonight, but maybe another time. I'm busy tonight, but maybe another time.
Saya sibuk malam ini, tapi mungkin lain kali.
When are you planning to visit your family? When are you planning to visit your family?
Kapan kamu berencana mengunjungi keluargamu?
I'm planning to visit them during the holidays. I'm planning to visit them during the holidays.
Saya berencana mengunjungi mereka saat liburan.
How was the concert you attended last night? How was the concert you attended last night?
Bagaimana konser yang kamu hadiri tadi malam?
It was amazing. The music and performance were fantastic. It was amazing. The music and performance were fantastic.
Itu luar biasa. Musik dan penampilannya sangat bagus.
Which do you prefer, apple or orange? Which do you prefer, apple or orange?
Mana yang kamu lebih suka, apel atau jeruk?
I prefer apples because they're sweeter. I prefer apples because they're sweeter.
Saya lebih suka apel karena rasanya lebih manis.
How do you find the time? How do you find the time?
Bagaimana kamu menemukan waktu?
I schedule tasks and use time management tools. I schedule tasks and use time management tools.
Saya menjadwalkan tugas dan menggunakan alat manajemen waktu.
Have you seen the new exhibit? Have you seen the new exhibit?
Apakah kamu sudah melihat pameran baru?
Yes, it's really impressive and well curated. Yes, it's really impressive and well curated.
Ya, itu sangat mengesankan dan dikelola dengan baik.
What dessert do you want? What dessert do you want?
Makanan penutup apa yang kamu inginkan?
I'm craving some chocolate cake. I'm craving some chocolate cake.
Saya ingin sekali kue coklat.
Any plans for tomorrow? Any plans for tomorrow?
Ada rencana apa untuk besok?
Yes, I plan to visit a museum in the morning. Yes, I plan to visit a museum in the morning.
Ya, saya berencana mengunjungi museum di pagi hari.
Have you tried Lisa's cooking? Have you tried Lisa's cooking?
Apakah kamu sudah mencoba masakan Lisa?
Yes, I've tried it. Her cooking is fantastic. Yes, I've tried it. Her cooking is fantastic.
Ya, saya sudah mencobanya. Masakannya luar biasa.
Have you considered your options? Have you considered your options?
Apakah kamu sudah mempertimbangkan pilihanmu?
Yes, I've looked into several alternatives. Yes, I've looked into several alternatives.
Ya, saya telah melihat beberapa alternatif.
What kind of music do you like? What kind of music do you like?
Musik apa yang kamu suka?
I like listening to pop and jazz music. I like listening to pop and jazz music.
Saya suka mendengarkan musik pop dan jazz.
Do you enjoy cooking? Do you enjoy cooking?
Apakah kamu suka memasak?
Yes, I really enjoy cooking different dishes. Yes, I really enjoy cooking different dishes.
Ya, saya sangat suka memasak berbagai hidangan.
Where do you usually shop? Where do you usually shop?
Di mana kamu biasanya berbelanja?
I usually shop at the local supermarket. I usually shop at the local supermarket.
Saya biasanya berbelanja di supermarket lokal.
What time do you usually sleep? What time do you usually sleep?
Jam berapa kamu biasanya tidur?
I usually sleep around 10 at night. I usually sleep around 10 at night.
Saya biasanya tidur sekitar jam 10 malam.
How do you relax after work? How do you relax after work?
Bagaimana kamu bersantai setelah kerja?
I relax by watching TV or reading. I relax by watching TV or reading.
Saya bersantai dengan menonton TV atau membaca.
How about after lunch? How about after lunch?
Bagaimana kalau setelah makan siang?
That works for me, let's plan for that. That works for me, let's plan for that.
Itu cocok bagi saya. Mari kita rencanakan untuk itu.
What can I help with? What can I help with?
Apa yang bisa saya bantu?
I need help with setting up the equipment. I need help with setting up the equipment.
Saya butuh bantuan untuk menyiapkan peralatan.
Which color do you like? Which color do you like?
Warna apa yang kamu suka?
I like red the most. I like red the most.
Saya paling suka warna merah.
What is your favorite season? What is your favorite season?
Apa musim favoritmu?
My favorite season is spring. My favorite season is spring.
Musim favorit saya adalah musim semi.
Do you enjoy hiking in the mountains? Do you enjoy hiking in the mountains?
Apakah kamu menikmati mendaki di pegunungan?
Yes, I love hiking in the mountains. It's very refreshing. Yes, I love hiking in the mountains. It's very refreshing.
Iya, saya suka mendaki di pegunungan. Itu sangat menyegarkan.
Are you a vegetarian or a meat eater? Are you a vegetarian or a meat eater?
Apakah kamu vegetarian atau pemakan daging?
I am a vegetarian and love vegetables. I am a vegetarian and love vegetables.
Saya seorang vegetarian dan menyukai sayuran.
Do you prefer zero sugar drinks? Do you prefer zero sugar drinks?
Apakah kamu lebih suka minuman tanpa gula?
Yes, I prefer drinks with zero sugar added. Yes, I prefer drinks with zero sugar added.
Ya, saya lebih suka minuman tanpa tambahan gula.
Can you pass me the knife, please? Can you pass me the knife, please?
Bisakah kamu memberikan pisau itu?
Sure, here is the knife you asked for. Sure, here is the knife you asked for.
Tentu, ini pisau yang kamu minta.
Is your house big or small? Is your house big or small?
Apakah rumahmu besar atau kecil?
My house is small but very cozy and nice. My house is small but very cozy and nice.
Rumah saya kecil tetapi sangat nyaman dan menyenangkan.
Have you ever seen a bear in the wild? Have you ever seen a bear in the wild?
Apakah kamu pernah melihat beruang di alam liar?
No, I've only seen bears at the zoo. No, I've only seen bears at the zoo.
Tidak, saya hanya pernah melihat beruang di kebun binatang.
When can I expect it? When can I expect it?
Kapan saya bisa mengharapkannya?
It should arrive by the end of this week. It should arrive by the end of this week.
Itu seharusnya tiba akhir minggu ini.
What style do you prefer? What style do you prefer?
Gaya apa yang kamu sukai?
I prefer a more modern style. I prefer a more modern style.
Saya lebih suka gaya yang lebih modern.
Have you heard about Lydia? Have you heard about Lydia?
Apakah kamu sudah mendengar tentang Lydia?
Yes, I heard she's moving to a new city. Yes, I heard she's moving to a new city.
Ya, saya mendengar dia pindah ke kota baru.
Did she say why? Did she say why?
Apakah dia mengatakan mengapa?
Yes, she mentioned it was due to a family event. Yes, she mentioned it was due to a family event.
Ya, dia mengatakan itu karena acara keluarga.
Did you do any water activities? Did you do any water activities?
Apakah kamu melakukan aktivitas air?
Yes, I tried kayaking and snorkeling. Yes, I tried kayaking and snorkeling.
Ya, saya mencoba kayaking dan snorkeling.
Who is your favorite person to talk to? Who is your favorite person to talk to?
Siapa orang favoritmu untuk diajak bicara?
My favorite person is my best friend, Lisa. My favorite person is my best friend, Lisa.
Orang favorit saya adalah sahabat saya, Lisa.
Why was he arrested last night? Why was he arrested last night?
Mengapa dia ditangkap semalam?
He was arrested for driving under influence. He was arrested for driving under influence.
Dia ditangkap karena mengemudi dalam pengaruh alkohol.
When is your wedding planned for? When is your wedding planned for?
Kapan pernikahanmu direncanakan?
My wedding is planned for next summer. My wedding is planned for next summer.
Pernikahan saya direncanakan untuk musim panas mendatang.
What is your favorite dish to cook? What is your favorite dish to cook?
Apa hidangan favoritmu untuk dimasak?
My favorite dish to cook is spaghetti carbonara. My favorite dish to cook is spaghetti carbonara.
Hidangan favorit saya untuk dimasak adalah spaghetti carbonara.
Is it better to study in groups? Is it better to study in groups?
Apakah lebih baik belajar dalam kelompok?
Yes, studying in groups helps with understanding. Yes, studying in groups helps with understanding.
Ya, belajar dalam kelompok membantu pemahaman.
Where do you go for a weekend retreat? Where do you go for a weekend retreat?
Kemana kamu pergi untuk liburan akhir pekan?
I go to the mountains for a relaxing retreat. I go to the mountains for a relaxing retreat.
Saya pergi ke pegunungan untuk liburan yang santai.
Can we meet at the cafe? Can we meet at the cafe?
Bisakah kita bertemu di kafe?
Yes, we can meet there at 2 o'clock. Yes, we can meet there at 2 o'clock.
Ya, kita bisa bertemu di sana jam 2.
Is this your first time here? Is this your first time here?
Apakah ini pertama kalinya kamu di sini?
Yes, it's my first time visiting this place. Yes, it's my first time visiting this place.
Ya, ini pertama kalinya saya mengunjungi tempat ini.
What is the gap between those two buildings? What is the gap between those two buildings?
Berapa jarak antara kedua bangunan itu?
The gap is about 3 meters wide, I think. The gap is about 3 meters wide, I think.
Jaraknya sekitar 3 meter saya rasa.
Where do you plan to go for vacation? Where do you plan to go for vacation?
Kemana kamu berencana pergi berlibur?
I plan to visit the beach for vacation. I plan to visit the beach for vacation.
Saya berencana pergi ke pantai untuk berlibur.
Can I ask you a question about that? Can I ask you a question about that?
Bolehkah saya menanyakan pertanyaan tentang itu?
Of course. I'm happy to answer your question. Of course. I'm happy to answer your question.
Tentu, saya senang menjawab pertanyaanmu.
Do you have any suggestion for dinner? Do you have any suggestion for dinner?
Apakah kamu punya saran untuk makan malam?
Yes, how about pizza or pasta tonight? Yes, how about pizza or pasta tonight?
Ya, bagaimana kalau pizza atau pasta malam ini?
How did you get that injury? How did you get that injury?
Bagaimana kamu mendapatkan cedera itu?
I fell while playing soccer with friends. I fell while playing soccer with friends.
Saya jatuh saat bermain sepak bola dengan teman-teman.
Which building is the tallest in town? Which building is the tallest in town?
Gedung mana yang tertinggi di kota?
The tallest building is the new skyscraper. The tallest building is the new skyscraper.
Gedung tertinggi adalah gedung pencakar langit yang baru.
Did you see the duck in the pond? Did you see the duck in the pond?
Apakah kamu melihat bebek itu di kolam?
Yes, the duck is swimming happily in there. Yes, the duck is swimming happily in there.
Ya, bebek itu berenang dengan senang di sana.
What is your current occupation? What is your current occupation?
Apa pekerjaanmu saat ini?
I work as a teacher at a local school. I work as a teacher at a local school.
Saya bekerja sebagai guru di sekolah setempat.
Have you ever visited Holland? Have you ever visited Holland?
Apakah kamu pernah mengunjungi Belanda?
Yes, I loved the beautiful tulip fields there. Yes, I loved the beautiful tulip fields there.
Ya, saya menyukai ladang tulip yang indah di sana.
Are you interested in marine life? Are you interested in marine life?
Apakah kamu tertarik dengan kehidupan laut?
Yes, I find marine life fascinating and beautiful. Yes, I find marine life fascinating and beautiful.
Ya, saya menemukan kehidupan laut menarik dan indah.
What makes this dish so special? What makes this dish so special?
Apa yang membuat hidangan ini begitu istimewa?
The special spices give it great flavor. The special spices give it great flavor.
Bumbu khususnya memberikan rasa yang luar biasa.
How important is privacy to you? How important is privacy to you?
Seberapa penting privasi bagimu?
Privacy is very important for my peace. Privacy is very important for my peace.
Privasi sangat penting untuk ketenangan saya.
How often do you update your profile? How often do you update your profile?
Seberapa sering kamu memperbarui profilmu?
I update my profile every few months. I update my profile every few months.
Saya memperbarui profil saya setiap beberapa bulan.
What is depreciation in accounting? What is depreciation in accounting?
Apa itu depresiasi dalam akuntansi?
Depreciation shows the loss of asset value. Depreciation shows the loss of asset value.
Depresiasi menunjukkan penurunan nilai aset.
Are you almost finished? Are you almost finished?
Apakah kamu hampir selesai?
Yes, I'm nearly done with the report. Yes, I'm nearly done with the report.
Ya, saya hampir selesai dengan laporannya.
Do you need approval for that project? Do you need approval for that project?
Apakah kamu perlu persetujuan untuk proyek itu?
Yes, I need my manager's approval first. Yes, I need my manager's approval first.
Ya, saya perlu persetujuan manajer saya terlebih dahulu.
Do you prefer vanilla or chocolate flavor? Do you prefer vanilla or chocolate flavor?
Apakah kamu lebih suka rasa vanila atau coklat?
I prefer vanilla ice cream on hot days. I prefer vanilla ice cream on hot days.
Saya lebih suka es krim vanila di hari yang panas.
Do you know where she lives? Do you know where she lives?
Apakah kamu tahu di mana dia tinggal?
Yes, she lives near the train station. Yes, she lives near the train station.
Ya, dia tinggal dekat stasiun kereta.
Can you help me with this task? Can you help me with this task?
Bisakah kamu bantu dengan tugas ini?
Yes, I can help you with it. Yes, I can help you with it.
Ya, saya bisa membantumu dengan itu.
Do you like to play tennis? Do you like to play tennis?
Apakah kamu suka bermain tenis?
Yes, I love playing tennis every weekend. Yes, I love playing tennis every weekend.
Ya, saya suka bermain tenis tiap akhir pekan.